English Afrikaans, will be.
sal wees.
Fun future tense. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you'll learn the Afrikaans future of to be, will be.
Sal wees.
With jokes, quick drills, and a snappy quiz. Buckle up your brain seatbelt. Your learning goal today. By the end, you can confidently use the future of to be in Afrikaans in everyday lines. Goal. Speak and recognize every person of will be.
Sal wees.
Quickly, clearly, and with a smile. Forms at a glance. Repeat after me, nice and clear. I will be.
Ek sal wees.
You will be.
Jy sal wees.
Singular. He will be.
Hy sal wees.
She will be.
Sy sal wees.
It will be.
Dit sal wees.
We will be.
Ons sal wees.
You will be.
Julle sal wees.
Plural. They will be.
Hulle sal wees.
Future chat at the station. Join this mini dialogue. Say your parts out loud. A. Are you coming on time? B. Yes, I will be there at 6. In Afrikaans.
Ek sal om 6 daar wees.
A. And the others? B.
Hulle sal betyds wees.
They will be on time. A. Perfect. The show? B.
Dit sal wonderlik wees.
It will be wonderful. Laugh and repeat drill. Time to echo the lines, own that rhythm. I will be early, say.
Ek sal vroeg wees.
You will be calm, sing, say.
Jy sal kalm wees.
He will be ready, say.
Hy sal gereed wees.
She will be the leader, say.
Sy sal die leier wees.
It will be easy, say.
Dit sal maklik wees.
We will be on time, say.
Ons sal betyds wees.
You, plural, will be in the front row, say.
Julle sal in die voorste ry wees.
They will be happy, say.
Hulle sal gelukkig wees.
Quick quiz. Answer fast, I'll give you a beat to think. Q1. Translate, she will be. A.
Sy sal wees.
Q2. Translate, we will be. A.
Ons sal wees.
Q3. Translate, it will be. A.
Dit sal wees.
Q4. Translate, they will be. A.
Hulle sal wees.
Q5. Translate, you will be, plural. A.
Julle sal wees.
Culture tip. Small grammar gem to boost your confidence. Afrikaans uses the helper, will, as.
Sal.
And the infinitive, be, as.
Wees.
In full sentences, the describing word often comes before, be, e.g.
Ons sal betyds wees.
We will be on time.
Ek sal by die huis wees.
I will be at home. Chunk for memory.
Ek, jy, hy, sy, dit by ons, julle, hulle plus sal plus wees.
10-second challenge. Ready to sprint through all forms? Go. Say them all, fast and clear.
Ek sal wees, jy sal wees, hy sal wees, sy sal wees, dit sal wees, ons sal wees, julle sal wees, hulle sal wees.
Now repeat with a place or time, e.g., at 6, tomorrow, on time. Thanks and next steps. Nice work, you nailed the future. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, will be
sal wees,
in tiny daily lines, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs. See you next time.